Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 Suzuki Swift, stock reference number 4339. This shape runs from the 9th month 2004 through to the 2nd month 2011. It has an M15A 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. M15A to 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, right-hand headlight, radiator grille, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left front has an average tyre. The left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Left tail light. Tailgate has one dent on it. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch steel with rim with a good average tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage, as well as the guard. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It has a black center console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.